Hi everyone, today marks a new day on our journey together. Welcome to my channel, Shelly's Creation. I'm thrilled to share some first ideas that have captured my imagination lately. Today, we all embark on creating a crochet ornament that may appear complex at first glance, but I assure you, it's wonderfully simple once you get the hang of it. This project brought me so much joy and I hope it inspires you as well. If you are joining us for the first time, remember to subscribe. This way, you'll stay informed about my latest creations and can share your own with our growing community. Now, let's dive in the materials you all need. Gather 4 medium-sized yarn colors of your choice. You also need a 3.75mm hook, a 2 inches diameter ring, a yarn needle, scissor, 1 decorative bow, 10 tiny beads, 2 medium-sized beads, and hot glue. Once you have everything prepared, let's get started. First, take your yarn, hook, and ring. We will begin by crafting our base. Start with a slip knot, then grab your ring and work on 30 single crochet to cover this ring. Once you finish, close it off with a slip stitch and create a chain of 25 for hanging purposes. Return to the first chain you made, slip stitch, then cut the yarn and secure it at the back. Now our base is complete. For the next row, grab your remaining 3 yarn colors. I'll guide you step by step, so no worries. Begin with the first color by making a slip knot, then chain 6, one, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and leave it as it is. Repeat this with your second and third colors of yarn. Make a slip knot, insert to the next chain, pull through, and make a chain of 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Leave as it is. Grab the last color of your yarn, make a slip knot, and insert to the next chain, pull through, and make a chain of 6. Once your 3 colors are ready, go back to the first one. Insert your hook, gently push the 2 other colors behind, and make a single crochet, then chain 6 again, leave it. Continue this process for the second and third yarn colors. Then keep them in the same sequence. Consistent chain lengths will ensure your red shape remains harmonious. So go to the next chain, make a single crochet, chain 6, leave it, go to the next color of yarn, post those two colors behind, make a single crochet, and chain 6. Now this is how it looks like. So keep it going until you're gonna cover the whole chains around. Now we're almost there. Let me finish these 3 stitches right here. Make single crochet, chain 6, leave it, grab the next color, go to the next chain, make a single crochet, chain 6, leave it, go back to the next color, make a single crochet, then chain 6. Now once we finish all this, cut all the yarn and secure your work. This time we're gonna use our yarn needle to connect the first color to the responding color in the initial 3 sets, securing at the back individually. Once we are done, now let's add some beautiful decorations. Attach the bow at the center top with hot glue. Once that's in place, arrange the tiny bits as you wish. You can glue or sew them on based on your comfort level. I chose white beads for a lovely blend. Adjust the spacing between the beads until you are satisfied with the overall appearance. And finally, add the medium-sized beads by tying them into the bow and placing them on both ends for that extra touch of elegance. Then for the final touch, you need to cut the excess yarns after securing your 2 beads in the center. And there you have it, your project is complete and ready to shine. So I'm grateful for your time and effort in following along. I hope you enjoyed this video as much as I did. Please share, like, and subscribe to my channel if you did. I'd love to hear your thoughts, so leave your comments below. Together, we can keep enhancing our tutorials. Have a blessed day, everyone.